Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll show you how to use page color in MS Word 2013. You can easily change MS Word document page color. So first open Microsoft Word document. Go to design option or menu and you can see page backgrounds option in here, page color. So first click or select a color, which color you added as a page color. Select this, then you can see page color is added, and when you enter a new page, color is automatic added. You can change page color here. You can use their shadow. See this, you can use this type shadow, and there are many more options. Fill effect, there are a texture. See this, you can use this texture, and there have a pattern. Use this pattern. Look, and you can add picture. Look, you can add picture as a page color. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.